Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and Khalani will make an appearance probably. She's over there playing. And this is Two Curls, One Comb. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about... I'm so annoyed. I wanted to talk to you guys about this nail polish called Pacifica. Hold on, let me Google the exact name. It's the Pacifica 7 Free Polish. So if you want more videos like this, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and follow us here. And let's get the video moving. Okay, so I bought this nail polish because prior to me having Khalani, I was going to the nail salon because I was so tired. And I usually do, like before I got pregnant, I used to do my nails all the time by myself. Like I used to do gel polish. I even had gel overlay on my nails that I did myself, and I was fine with, you know, my results by myself. But when I got pregnant, I got super tired and I just didn't have the energy to sit and drill and figure out how to do my nails or whatever. So I started going to the nail salon. Well, after I had Khalani, I think I might have got my nails filled one more time after I had Khalani. And I was just kind of like, it's a waste of money, one. Two, I'm never really satisfied with other people doing my nails because I know what I want to see. And three, I was like, I can just go back to painting my nails. I remember when I used to paint my nails with just plain nail polish, you know, a strengthener, Sally Hansen strengthener on the base. 2 coats or 3 coats of the color, and then such a V top coat, and I was completely happy. Like that was, you know, my holy grail. And I could go at least 7 days when I was in college and not washing my hands 50 million times. I could go 7 days, you know, with one nail color, and then I would switch it out on, you know, the 7th day, or whenever I got a chip I would switch it out, and it wasn't that bad. So after I had Khalani, I tore those acrylic nails off. You can see I tried the Kiss acrylic dip kit because I still wanted to look like I had, I hate when my nails are this short, so I wanted to look like I had some length. And I was trying desperately in this video, but it'll be linked down below. It just was not what I wanted. I was disappointed, to say the least. Like, go see the video, watch this video, and then go see the video. So that wasn't an answer. So then I tried putting back on my gel polishes, which all my gel polishes now are probably like a year old. Like, so they're probably all expired, like a year from me not using them. I bought them years ago. So I think everything I own is just pretty much bad. They're all separated and they just look crummy and crappy. So, like, a long story short, I was like, I need to go buy something new. That way I know the formula is fresh, it's not expired, blah blah blah, you know. So if it doesn't wear, I know it's really the polish. So I came across this 7 Free, and I put, I guess, the 7 ingredients it doesn't have right here. So it's supposed to be more natural, and since I paint my nails in the same room with Khalani, I kind of wanted it to be as, you know, toxin free as I could, excuse me. So the 7 Free was definitely a plus. And then the next plus, because it never fails every time I try to do my nails or do something that I can't, you know, I'm basically have to be locked down, can't move kind of thing. Every time I do that, Khalani has, like, I'm gonna wake up and cry spells. So the next plus for me was the fact that it was supposed to dry fast. You know, that's the whole reason why I used to use Sachet Vite, which Sachet Vite is the best top coat. Like, if you haven't tried Sachet Vite, you are really losing out. Like, it is the best. It'll make your nails look fake. That's how good Sachet Vite is. So, so I bought from Pacifica. I went to, Ulta had a sale. They had a buy one, get one 50% off. So I paid like around $14 for the top coat and Wonderland, which I'll insert pictures. And I was so excited because Wonderland in the bottle looks like it has these iridescent shimmers in it, and it's a nude color. So I was like, it's nude, but it's like fancy nude, it's glittery nude, you know. I was all excited. I get home, I paint my nails. First coat, I'm like, okay, you know, base coat is like, all right, cool. First coat of the actual Wonderland color, I'm like, all right, it got some pigment, you know. You still need another coat, but it wasn't like completely, you know, sheer. It was pretty opaque. By the second coat, I was like, oh, the shimmers really didn't translate. Like, I still have the color on my toes, and you can't really see the shimmers at all in it. Like, the shimmers were just like, they're not even there. So ignore that in the bottle. Like, if you like squint your eyes and look and tilt your nail to the left, and you can see like where they should have been, but it's like, so I paint my nails that night. And they dry pretty fast because like literally right after I put the top coat on, Khalani started screaming. I was like, oh man, I'm about to mess up my whole entire manicure, you know, whatever. So I go over to get her or whatever, but I didn't mess up a nail. I think I might have smudged one and I could rub it out, so it wasn't even like that big of a deal. So the next day I wake up, like this is at the end of the night. So I painted my nails at the end of the night. What do you have? Let me see. Yeah, we could have that. Painted my nails at the end of the night. The next day I woke up, I had already showered and stuff from the night before. So the next day I woke up, all I did was cook breakfast and wash my face. And my pointer finger on my left hand, which is, I'm right hand dominant. So my pointer finger on my left hand completely peeled off. Like my nail was completely exposed. And I was like, what the heck is this? Like, hold up. Like, $9 polish. No. So I was like, okay, maybe I did something wrong. Maybe I had like a grease on my, you know, some oil on my, you know, nail bed. So I wipe it off with the acetone. And I paint the nail again. Alright, so I go to where I was going. I go to a baby shower. And then I come back. I'm going into my phone for pictures. I go to the baby shower and I look down and I have this chip on my left hand, again my less dominant hand, and on my middle finger, which I usually never get chips on my middle finger, so I don't know what, you know, what was going on. But this is day one, y'all. And then by the time I got home, put Khalani to bed and everything, you know, said and done, I'm about to climb into bed. I look and I have a chip on my thumb and I'm like, okay, it's not me, it's the polish. Like, it has to be the polish. This is day one. By day two, all of my nails are completely peeled off. Like, I'm on day 3 and I'm nail polish list. Like, I think day 2 I might have had a pinky, like one pinky, and, you know, maybe a little bit on a middle finger or so. But like, it's day 3, y'all. My nail polish is gone. I couldn't even make it to the first event. Like, so now I'm like, dang, I just wasted $14. Like, I really feel like that was a big waste. The only thing I can think to do differently next time is to get a bottle of Seche Vide. Get a bottle of Seche Vide, and you get a bottle of my old base that I used to use all the time, because this ain't the move. Like, you guys have any suggestions? Like, I did the whole alcohol, cleanse your nail bed with alcohol. I pushed the cuticles back on my nails. I did everything you're supposed to do to get nail polish to adhere. At least I think I did. So, yeah, it was a big waste of money, Boho. I'm like really disappointed. But yeah. That's the end of this video, because, I mean, the nail polish sucked. Like, and there's not that many reviews on them, on the Pacifica nail polish. And all the reviews were favorable. So I definitely thought I was getting something of value, but now I'm like, yeah, I was lying. Pacifica must have paid y'all, like, because I've never had anything trip day 1. Like, that is ridiculous.